Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add shapes in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add shapes on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to show you how to add shapes, let's first add a blank section to have space to work on. Now to add shapes in this blank section, just click on add element, select shape, this element, and drag and drop it like that. Now click on change shape. Now you can select between multiple different shapes. Let's add this rectangle shape. You can even select dotted lines, or small lines. Let's add a square. Click on close. Now you can select or edit the shape color. You can select something like that. Now let's duplicate this shape, just select it. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now let's duplicate this shape, just select it and click on duplicate. Now you can edit the shape of the second second element. Let's call it like that. Now you can design this. You can also design something like that. And another thing that I want to show you is that you can, let's pick block. Now let's show you how to edit the, I'm not sure, but you can bring to back, send to back like that, and to create this shape. And yes, now let's bring this black square to the top or to the front like that. And always don't forget to update your website to publish your new shapes. Let's view this website live. And this is, as you see, there is a little animation. You can also edit this animation from here. Click on change shape, go to animation. As you see, this black square was using a slide animation. This is a scale animation. Let's see the slide. This is the fade, and you can go with no animation. Let's check that again. As you see, now no more animation was used for the black square. Before wrapping this video, let's see what shape designs you can add. Let's duplicate this, change to triangle. Let's keep changing shapes. Now let's update my website to publish these changes. Then view my website live. These are the shapes I've just added. And this is how to add shapes in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.